going to be the first time with this new BFT MicroWave rod series. Hi, I'm Stefan from Catch with Care. With me I have Dan Paluch from American Tackle. Today we're going to try some perch fishing in Lake Cebu, and we're also going to try the new BFT MicroWave rod series and BFT reels. Dan Paluch going to explain about the new MicroWave line control system.
The whole thing with the MicroWave guides is all about taming the fishing line. We're controlling the line. What it basically has is a primary ring with a secondary ring that acts as a funnel. After the first guide, the line is going as straight as an arrow out the guides, causing less friction and allowing longer, more accurate casts. It's the primary guide that captures the coils, the secondary guide that funnels the line so it goes into the transition guide, and then down to the running guide. These first three guides is actually the system itself, the line control system that we refer to. Now that we talked about taming the fishing line, one of the other main features of this rod, which is probably amongst the favorite after the guides themselves, is the ergonomic reel seat design. It's got a raised back on it that fits in the palm of your hand, whereas normal reel seats don't have that. It's missing. They work, but this works better. The foregrip is taken away, so you have the sensitivity of your finger on there for those more sensitive fish, more sensitive bites, I should say, depending on all fish, depending on what their mood they're in. Everything to try to lighten the weight and have a faster recovery of the blank coming back.
And here is one of the rod. We have all the length here in the boat, and we're actually going to try them out here today. It's going to be the first time with this new BFT MicroWave rod series.
Fishing Lake Cebu for perch, a 2 meter down to a 3 meter drop off, or actually a nice slope. Gonna cast out there. Put it in gear as soon as it hits the water, let it sink in gear. So it's a nice tight line. As soon as we feel that little tap, we're gonna set the hook. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, not the world's biggest one, but it's definitely what we want. Look at that guy. Yeah.
With us on Lake Cebu, we have Jocke Pettersson from cwc fishing team and Sean Hjelsten. They are here fishing for perch as well and try out the new BFT MicroWave rod series. Okay, we're going to change location. We're going to try for some sander. Jocke has a spot up here who's pretty good. Yeah, fish on. I think I have a small sander here. Took the whole jig. Oh. Small sander. It has been a great day on the lake with fun, cool fishing for perch. And before we leave, I want you to know a little bit about the BFT MicroWave rod series that we have used today. We have tried 3 different rods for light tackle, and the rod that I hold in here is 6.6, very fast action. It's a perfect rod for twitching the jigs, and it has been working really great. And you cast far away with it, long distance rod. The second rod we use is a rod that we have built for jigging and also for small baits for sea trout. It's 8 foot and you can use lures between 10 and 40 gram. The third rod, it's a 10 footer, 10 to 35 gram. Perfect for small lures when you want to cast a long distance. Gonna be perfect for sea trout fishing when you're wading. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. It's a nice perch.